Thomas is a happily married father of 2 daughters, and he is also Senior Director of Engineering for an infrastructure engineering company. And just like you, he wants to expand his perspectives on life and become a world-class leader. That's why he chose the ESCP Europe General Management Program, aka GMP. GMP offers 6 tracks with a part-time program of 180 hours. Thomas, who is always on the go, has chosen the itinerant format. And as the ESCP Europe GMP is taught across 5 European campuses, Thomas gets the most innovative networking experience across the globe. With 9 core courses over 12 months, GMP equips Thomas with a cross-functional knowledge and managerial skills. With participants from diverse academic nationalities and from all sectors of industry, Thomas enjoys a multicultural environment to leverage his career. No matter what your professional situation is, you can find the perfect track to balance your studies with your work and your personal life. The GMP forms an integral part of the ESCP Europe Executive MBA. With the completion of the GMP, Thomas has already completed 1 pillar out of 4, the ESCP Europe Executive MBA. Thomas has decided to carry on with the Executive MBA in order to reach his full leadership potential by completing the 3 remaining pillars of his Executive MBA. With the Executive MBA, Thomas has changed his job and enjoys his new life in Rio de Janeiro as Managing Director of his company's local branch. Now it's your turn to tailor your skill set to your ambitions. Empower your career with ESCP Europe.